Hey guys, Dave with AirSpool here, and we believe we have the only mini split that's both quick and easy to relocate or reinstall. And what's it called, guys?
Quick and easy.
It's called the Quick and Easy. And it's called the Quick and Easy. The name came really because of the installation process. So once you get this on the wall and get your condensate, your communication control line, and your refrigerant hoses, refrigerant lines through the wall, everything is twist to connect. Takes less than 5 minutes to do that. Same way it takes less than 5 minutes to connect everything, takes less than 5 minutes to disconnect everything and allows you to move it, okay? So, and this is a bit of a novel concept, as we'll see here. This is another, we'll call this company here Dr. Cold. And you see that we strongly advise against relocating your blank blank system. Relocating your blank blank system will void your warranty. And so you probably also want to strongly advise yourself from relocating or removing. And if it weren't enough to say it once, they're telling you twice. Don't relocate your unit, okay? And so here, see that this unit's running, right? This display here shows it's on. It's running in fan mode because we're making a video here. If we probably would be running in cooling mode or heating mode. In that case, you want to give the unit 10 minutes to settle down. Heating mode, if you do what I'm about to show you to do, you'll be burning your hands from the hot refrigerant lines. In cooling mode, just let the system settle down and also keep your hands from freezing. You're going to want to let it settle down a little bit. So give our unit 10 minutes to settle down before you disconnect everything, and then you're going to do what we're about to show you what to do, okay? So we provide you with these gloves. I don't have the manliest of hands, so I use these, and you'll be able to use these too. But of the de-installation process, about 4 minutes, 20 seconds of your time of the 5 minutes is doing what I'm about to do. So all right, with that done, now, I mean, probably the first thing you would do, logically, would be to unplug the unit. We didn't do that first, but we're going to see if it killed the unit here for a second. But no, it didn't kill the unit. But so we have this plug, the dummy plug right here. It's a dummy plug, so we wanted to show you the unit was actually running. So we don't have it plugged in to that outlet right now, but you're going to be, if this is installed logically outside, you're going to have some type of outdoor receptacle here. And so we just have this plugged in right here. So we not only provide this plug, this power cord for you, but we also install the power cord. So you're going to unplug this. And then these are your communication control wires. So we have pre-wired everything in here on both the outdoor unit and on the indoor unit. Not really that fun of job. Sure, it's electrical. You can, whatever, it's an hour to do. But the order is important of putting all those wires in. If you mess that up, it could blow a board. We do all that for you in the pre-installation process, so you don't have to worry about it. And by the way, because we do the pre-installation process, we're able to give you a full 5-year guarantee, not a warranty for a compressor or throwing some part at you and having you take care of it. We're giving you a 5-year full guarantee because we know it's going to run. Okay, so anyway, back to the subject at hand. So think you can handle that? Instead of doing all that wiring, you just disconnected your communication control wires. All right, so now everything is disconnected here. And so you got, now we can't prevent cords from still getting tangled up in things. That's until everything is wireless. There will be things twisted up. But we're going to pull this cord back through here. Get it ready to go through the wall. And so, yeah, everything needs to be straightened out here. And it's going to be put such that it can be pushed through the wall, all right? And then for the indoor unit, I'm not going to take you too far deep in here, but this is just this bracket here. You're going to take this unit off. It's going to pull off the bracket, pull off the wall, same way it went onto the bracket. You're going to have a bracket here. You're going to have to move that bracket. You're going to have to drill another hole. So, by the way, so you're going to have this awkward indoor unit. Feel free to have a friend help you with all these cords and things as they come through the wall. Set this on something, your plush rug, your kittens, your something that's not going to scratch the surface, because if you just set it on this ground right here, small scratches could happen. So just kind of prep that. Cardboard works. But so once this is taken off, you're going to put your wall mount bracket, put that at a different location, drill another hole, and then you're off to the races. Just do everything in reverse of what we just showed you to do. And refer to airspool.com, refer to YouTube AirSpool Station, and all the videos we made of how to install the unit. You'll be able to check there. And as usual, thank you for your time. Subscribe to AirSpool YouTube station. Check out shop.airspool.com and airspool.com. Thanks for your time.